Can't find an opportunity to earn income and develop new skills? Don't worry. Kisanlink is on a mission to empower rural entrepreneurs by comprehensive training and certification programs that prepare them for lucrative careers in agri industries with flexible timings and rewarding income opportunities. What are you waiting for? Install the Kisanlink application now. You will provide seeds and other farm mechanization services to farmers through our app to receive incentives. We offer drone chemical spraying service. You can schedule this service on our app and receive incentives after the spraying is completed. You would also provide secure and reliable output purchases for farmers by evaluating quality parameters. You will receive incentives for every service provided to the farmers. Sign up today. Let's make a difference together.